Hey, everybody. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's having a good week so far. We're headed towards the end of the weekend. Christmas is fast approaching, and I thought I would do a video talking about, 2025 and the best tools, the best way to trade in 2026 by far is the Sniper Pro. So let me get some particulars out of the way. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you got any comments or questions, scroll below. You can obviously, many ways to actually send me a message, reach me. If you got questions, etc. If you're interested in joining, there's a link somewhere in the socials, depending on where you're seeing this from. So, our trading team is really doing really well. And can I say really anymore? And going on almost 9 years. And, the best way that we have found to trade in 2026, and let me be clear, right? We have traded smart money. We still have smart money in our community. 71 box strategy, etc. But the best way to trade in 2026 is the Sniper Pro, hands down. It's an amazing piece of software. The world is a different place, right? I'm fortunate that I learned how to trade through this group, and for sure, do I encourage folks to learn some of the smart money concepts? Yes. But nowadays, you've got to be able to evolve and develop. And if there are tools that pull information from the market into a trading scanner or an AI piece of software, you would be foolish not to look at it. And folks are really having great success with it. Now, let me be very clear, right? Before I kind of get into my spiel, there is no income guarantees, right? You have to come in and practice on a demo account on any of the entry models that we use for the Sniper Pro. Or if you if you prefer to learn some smart money concepts, right? Our platform has smart money concepts. So if you want to do it the old school way, we've got it. If you want to do the new school way, we've got it. And that's really kind of the knowledge that we have created over almost 9 years. So, 2026 needs to not be about staring at the charts all day, right? Folks are busy. It's not about guessing tops and bottoms, and it's definitely not about overcomplicating trading. The best way to trade in 2026 is precision. It's clarity. It's having a system that tells you exactly what to look for and when to act. That's where the Sniper Pro comes in. The Sniper Pro is built for traders who value efficiency. It scans the market for high-quality setups. It highlights opportunity without noise, and it removes emotion, especially on a 4-hour entry model, and replaces it with structure. This is trading designed for real life. Busy schedules, maybe you have limited screen time, maximum focus when you're locked in. With the Sniper Pro, you're not chasing trades. You're not forcing entries. You're responding to clear signals aligned with market structure. This is the evolution of trading. Smart money concepts, AI-powered scanning, higher time frame precision. For folks in 2026 and beyond, traders who win are going to be disciplined. They're going to follow a plan. They trust the system. They let the market come to them. The Sniper Pro supports that mindset. Simple, repeatable on any of the 3 entry models we have, and stress-free, which is the best way to trade, right? Not staring at a chart. Oh my God, it's going to hit stop loss. If you're serious about leveling up your trading, if you want consistency instead of chaos, if you want a tool designed for where the market is going, the Sniper Pro is the move. So welcome to smarter trading in 2026. Okay. Now, if you want a quick overview of what the Sniper Pro does and all the entry models that we have, just send me a message. And if you're on my YouTube, you can find it. It's in my videos for sure. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Comments, questions. If you want to join our amazing community going on 9 years, just send me a message. If you like this and you want to see some other content coming from me, hit the subscribe button. I have got long form videos. I have got shorts. I got everything. And I can answer any question about trading in any type of entry model. But the Sniper Pro is where it's at. All right? That's it for now. Have a great night. See you on the next on the flip side, so to speak, is what they say. I can't seem to talk today. I don't know what it is. But anyway, have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.